whack up in the air, rapping scattered off the gear. I can map him, yeah, the ears like a tracker, get distracted, send him back like in the mail. Not a fraction of them real, catch him lacking, run the drill, bro. Running through the shit like a motherfucking dage.
Okay, so we're back down here at QR Queensland Raceway for another Friday night drift. It is the last one of the year, so today actually marks my 3-year anniversary on YouTube, which is pretty crazy. 3 years of uploading every week, back to back, non-stop. Dropped it down a bit lately, but still freaking crazy. So yeah, pretty awesome. Hopefully in another 3 years we'll be in somewhere doing some other crazy shit, but for tonight we're gonna be doing some freaking skids in the dry. Last time we came and it was wet and it sucked. Got the boys here, got all the help this time. It's freaking awesome. Sick. S13 is ready to rip. Brad's out here again on the camera. He's gonna be doing the GoProing. And yeah, let's get the car off, do our briefings, and go hit up the track. So keen for dry skids, eh? So bloody keen.
If you don't have the cash up front, then please don't come where I stay. Is what they would say to pour out J, they're cold in the pouring rain. Then cry when crime comes to their place, cause we need dimes to pay for the drugs they're giving away. Kinda funny how the cycle's working, eh? I'm just trying to make it out, I'm sick of playing this game. I'm sick of writing it out on the same old fucking page, just to get a name for myself. I'm sick of scripts with my name on them, just to handle my health. It really is a shame that they won't care till it's about bands and Louis V belts. That's why I'm here, working on wealth. I'm who they feared, they chose someone else. Now I'm coming in and I'm about to ring bells. I'm making it clear there's nobody else. Shut up, you queer, buy me a beer, cause I got here with nobody's help. Sheesh. If you had the chance, would you take it? I've run so far but been patient. Times have changed but stayed patient. Sold drugs like a dog to my patients. If you had the talent, would you make it? Probably not, cause let's face it, talent's not what it takes to be famous these days, it is all created. I'm numb to the pain nowadays, cause of that hole she left. It's a bump with the pain, straight to my brain, that's how I'm coping with stress. I try to refrain from going insane, I've only got one shot left. It isn't the game.
Alright, so we made it out on the track, past the briefing and everything, and yeah, it's beautiful weather. It's not raining this time, which is sick. Last time, as you know, it was freaking pissing down rain, which sucks. But this time we got all the grip, so we can actually do some proper skids. Hopefully the rear tyres stay on. If you've seen the Matt Suri episode, you would have seen I had troubles with these tyres staying on the rim and they kept popping off. Gotta go get that pop back on, but luckily it didn't wreck the fiberglass.
Fuck! Hey, what have you done?
It just popped off.
Wait, I fully thought it was so bad. I thought I broke like a drive shaft. Yeah. But then it wasn't going dong dong dong. So I was like, oh, it must be alright.
But hopefully they stay on and we can do heaps of laps back to back, back to back to back. We've got a couple of tyres on the trailer that we can use, but yeah, let's go do some skids.
Yeah, that's pretty bright.
Can you see me?
Yeah.
I did some pretty freaking sick laps. Got heaps of grip in this, like way more than I'm used to, so it's freaking awesome. Just getting the hang of that. I'm still learning a couple of things with like setting up the car on the right race line. Or like, yeah, the right race line, I think you say. Is that what you say? Yeah, that's what you say.
Yeah, definitely. That's the right word.
The race line, yeah.
Yeah, race line.
Yeah, the race line. What's the other word for it?
Line?
Line? Angle?
The right line.
Yeah, the right line, that's what you say.
Yeah.
I'm a racer, mate. Fast. No, anyway, fucking, it's pretty sick. But there's water across the track in 3 to 6, which makes it really hard. As soon as your wheels hit it, it just accelerates you and makes you like more angle and slide out. It's pretty hard to handle. So it's a good little fun little challenge. But anyway, we're gonna switch the tires over because one side is getting more worn out than the other, and then we'll go sand it some more.
Sweet.
Also, there's some really cool merchandise coming up soon. Pretty freaking excited to release it. It's actually really cool. So some new t-shirt designs coming out. Stay tuned for that. Not sure when it's going to be out. Waiting on a few things first, and then are you shaking that?
Like up and down, like yes.
Oh, I was like, why are you shaking?
It's good stuff.
yeah, it's going to be sick. So stay tuned for that. I'll be posting it on my Instagram, and I might post it on my YouTube as well.
Yeah.
Check it out. If you want to support the channel, it's the best way. Because all the proceeds will go back into the R32. Not the S13.
Yeah, not the S13. No, the S13 doesn't. It runs on hopes and dreams.
Yeah, it just keeps going. So. Yeah, we're still running the 4 stars.
Just one less to do.
Yeah, one less. It saves time.
Yeah.
Makes sense. Another freaking epic Friday night drift. So much fun. Had some freaking sick runs. Definitely like was able to like learn a few more things again, which is always the point of coming out here, to try and learn more and more. So much fun. My body is wrecked. I'm going home, go to sleep, go to work, and then hopefully come back out soon and do some more skids. Massive thanks to Brad for helping me out, like track assistance. Cheers, mate.
All good. Happy to help.
And the other boys that came out and helped me. Appreciate you guys. Hopefully my merch drops soon. I'm just waiting on a few things, but it's gonna be sick. I'm actually really excited. You should see the design. It's freaking awesome. It's actually sick.
I haven't seen it.
It's actually sick as. I might show you. Yeah, I might show you.
Maybe if I'm lucky.
Maybe. A sneak peek. But yeah, like always, if you made it this far in the video, put in the comments. What should we put in the comments?
I don't know. Neons?
Neons. Yeah, underglow.
Underglow.
Yeah, underglow. Bring back underglow.
Bring back underglow.
Yeah, if you made it this... Holy shit. If you made it this far in the video, put in the comments, bring back underglow, because it's fully sick. And yeah, like the video, share it to your mates, and if you're new here to the channel, hit the subscribe button. We've got plenty of cool shit coming. So, see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace out. You want to say goodbye?
See ya.
Funny story, when we got here, I was checking my tire pressures, and one of my wheel nuts was just like, it was literally like that. And I was like, oh shit.
Yeah, it was pretty loose.
Oh, I better tighten that up, eh? So I just finger tightened it and then sent it. No.
That was Brad's fault.
Everything's your fault. Look at that.